We're a NASCAR race. It's just. I knew you were gonna fall asleep. Happy New Year. It's a new year. You poor thing. I'm sorry. What time is it?
Oh, that's really disgusting.
Hell yeah.
Are you excited?
For what? What are we doing?
Again, I don't know.
Well, we know we're doing ATVs, waterfall, zip line.
So everyone has been taken back to start, except for us.
The steps of making chocolate. How cool is that?
Ooh.
Cheers.
Cheers!
You're not supposed to chew it.
Oh. Tastes like chocolate without sugar.
So it's super easy to play it off like this, just with the finger like that. Like that.
Just, you gotta commit all the way in. All in.
It just tastes like chocolate with no sugar.
Go Jacob, go Jacob! It's good?
Is it good?
Sweet. It's good, isn't it?
Mmm.
Enjoy it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Cheers, love. Just go.
Yeah.
What is it? Grapefruit?
Fruit juice? Just all kinds.
Fresh. It's organic. It's good for you. It's good for your soul.
Yes.
Hello. Move out of the way. Danielle was avoiding all the mud pits. Cleaning off my overtime. You're a little skinnier than a Texas horse. That's okay though. Oh, now you want to hold my hand. She's still mad at me for waking her up yesterday. Sit right here. Right where I'm at. Come on. Come on now, baby. There you go.
You didn't jump!
Oh, bye. My brother.
Ceviche by the pool.
And I'm drinking coffee. Not anything else, I promise. Not fishy.
Ah! My onion.
And?
What are you doing?
We don't have a can opener, so we're trying to open it. Oh, wait.
It's opening.
Mr. Iguana.
We only need a few.
Alright.
Next.
Next up, a cabbage.
Here we have our canned black-eyed peas and cabbage.
They don't believe in silverware here, so it's a bitch to get open.
This is how you open a can without a can opener. Cabbage first.
Yeah, we need some
Money.
I'm poor. It's actually pretty good.
Now look. And that's
See
it.
what we do? Give me more of this money. We learned how to open a can without a can opener on YouTube. A Russian guy, he was like, what if zombie apocalypse come?
I wasn't watching
And
that.
he's like, this is how you open can without metal or can opener. Where are we?
Japanese.
Our first mojito of the whole trip, which is a surprise because we've been here for a while now. It's a little sweet, but it's pretty good.
If it wasn't sweet, I would love it. Well, we almost got lost.
Danielle almost got us stuck in Jocko.
They stopped doing taxis or something weird because of the COVID.
Can you imagine?
Jerry got us out of it.
What did he say?
Business is business.
Business is business. That's what he kept saying.